In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste an image into Claude Code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to copy an image from your computer or browser and paste it right into the prompt so Claude can reference it while you work. First, open the Claude Code app. Once it's up, look for the code section in the interface and start a new session. This gives you a clean workspace where the image you paste will be tied to just this conversation. If your interface labels look slightly different, the idea is the same. Get into the coding workspace and create a fresh session so everything you paste goes into the right place. Next, find the image you want to use. You can grab it from a web browser or from a file folder on your computer. If you're in a browser, right-click directly on the image and choose Copy Image. Avoid options like Copy Link or Copy Image Address because those only copy the URL and not the actual picture. You can also click the image to focus it and press Ctrl+C on Windows. On a Mac, use Command+C. If your image is in a folder, click the file to highlight it and press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac, or just right-click the file and choose Copy. Either approach places the image on your clipboard so it's ready to paste. After that, switch back to the Claude Code app. Click inside the prompt area at the bottom so your cursor is active there. Now paste the image by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac, or right-click and select Paste. When it works, you should see a small thumbnail preview or a file chip appear in the prompt area, showing that the image is attached and ready to send along with your message. If you paste and only see text or a long web address, it usually means the browser copied the link instead of the image. Just return to the browser, right-click the picture itself, choose Copy Image, then come back and paste again. Also, if nothing happens when you paste, double-check that you clicked into the prompt field first so it has focus. Common image formats like PNG and JPG work best. Larger images might take a second to appear, especially on slower connections, so give it a moment. Once you see the preview in the prompt, you're good to go. Add any instructions you want Claude to follow, then send your message. That's it. Open Claude Code and start a new session. Copy your image from the browser or a folder and paste it into the prompt. Simple, fast, and ready for your next project.